What's up YouTube, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you why cleaning is important. Now let's get to this video. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the two ways that we clean. The first way, we clean the houses and clean anywhere we go, our workplace, at school, etc. This is the first way. And the second way, this is where we clean ourselves, like we shower, we brush our teeth, and furthermore. This is the two ways that we have of cleaning. But for this video, I'm going to tell you why we should clean our house and what's important about it. And I'm also going to tell you the different ways and the different methods that we clean our house. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, number one, the way we clean our house, we make our beds, which is very important. We need to keep our beds nice and tidy. The second, we also should clean our kitchen. We clean our kitchen, which is very important, especially we go into the kitchen for cooking and all this. So we need to clean the kitchen so it doesn't get any bacteria. We also should sweep the floor, which is very important so we don't get dust on the floor and it wouldn't be so much of a hassle when we walk on the floor. Or we can vacuum the floor. Either way, both work the same, sweeping or vacuuming. So this is what vacuuming looks like. This is where we vacuum the floor, to keep the floor clean. We also mop the floor, to make sure it's sparkly clean and free of any dust. So we have mopping the floor. This is what it looks like. And we also should wipe the windows. This is what we have. We wipe the windows so it's not so sticky and would be able to view from outside, make it easy. And we also should clean the dust that's anywhere. Like we clean the dust off the bookcase. This is what it is. We clean off the bookcase because dust can get in when you're not using anything much. So we need to clean off the dust so it doesn't get any bacteria or viruses. Now I'll tell you a fact. If we do not clean the house, if we just leave the dust lying around, bacteria and viruses can come in, and that's definitely going to cause an infection, because cleanness is very important. Because if you clean, then you'll be protected from any viruses or any bacteria. But if you do not clean, then that's what's going to happen. Then you're definitely going to catch the virus or get sick because of this. So you really should consider keeping yourself clean, especially keeping your house clean. And also, for kids, we tidy our bedrooms. This is very important for kids, This is what they should learn, to keep their rooms tidy. Like they should pick up their toys. This is what it is. Pick up the toys. And like I said in the beginning, we make our beds. That's what we do, make our beds. And furthermore, this is what we should know about. Because when we get bigger, we're going to have to take care of ourselves, because one day our elders are not going to be there for us anymore, It's life. So we have to keep ourselves clean if we want to avoid getting the viruses or infections. So this is what it's about, guys. This is what it's about. You must keep yourselves clean in order to stay away from the viruses. And for this video, I told you about why you should keep the house and your workplaces clean, or at school as well. So now I'm going to get to the conclusions. Alrighty, so in conclusion, I definitely would keep myself clean, especially keep the room and the house clean, to avoid the viruses and avoid the bacteria. Because if I do not keep my house clean, or if I don't keep myself clean, for example, I definitely would catch the virus and get sick severely sometimes. So if the way to avoid it is keep myself clean and keep myself neat and tidy, especially the house. And there are also other rooms that you should consider cleaning. Like I said, you should clean the bathroom, which is very important. We use the bathroom like every day, and we must clean it to avoid getting the bacteria. And we should also clean the backyard, We go to the backyard for many different reasons. And another way when you clean the backyard is mowing the lawn or cutting the grass. You know, I've learned that word in school, mow the lawn or mow the grass, which means you cut the grass. I'm gonna type it in the description so you know what I'm talking about. But this is the word I learned in school. So yeah, you cut the grass to avoid again too long. And I even hear that if you do not cut the grass, if you just leave it too long, the government's gonna give you a ticket for not cutting your grass and not keeping your yard neat and tidy. So this is what I know about, and I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was me talking with you guys about keeping yourself clean and keeping the house clean, or your workplace or school, either way. That was me telling you about it. And if you liked this video, please leave a like. That'd be really great, of course. And the lesson here, guys, is keep yourself neat and tidy and keep the house neat and tidy as possible, because you do not want to get the virus. And if you do not keep yourself clean, then that's gonna cause infection. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.